supposed to live another day, passing these people by. Baby, I can feel my heartaches deep inside. I can't find the words inside to explain the way I feel for life. That is why I make so many people wonder why. Don't you know that I live my life, and God knows how hard I've tried. Going through each day, I know my love for you survives. I try so many ways, try to build my world around you, baby. I give all I can so my love lasts your life through. I try so very hard, try to carry on my life next to you. My love and sincere is dedicated to your will. If only I can say it in words, I would tell you just the way I feel. The feelings deep inside is so strong, words can't explain. I hope that someday you'll find, when you look deep into my heart, the wish, the hopes and dreams all your life you waited for. When I saw that tear in your eye, I knew that something was wrong. I didn't want to let you leave without a kiss from me. Even though life gotta be this way, and the distance has to be so far, I'll still be there for you to cure your emptiness inside.